All right, so protein. Protein, one of your macronutrients, is very important, just like the other two. So why do we need it in our bodies? Essentially, you're going to use protein for maintenance and upkeep. So heaps of people talk about protein as if it's this thing that you only consume because you want to build skeletal muscle, much like the ginormous dude that's featured on the slide here. But that's not all that protein's used for. You're essentially going to use it for upkeep in your body. So your heart, your internal organs, pretty much all of them are going to need protein to maintain themselves, regular upkeep for those things. Every single cell in your body requires protein. So you can kind of see that this stuff is necessary not just for building aesthetic muscles or functional muscle mass. It's also there to make sure that your body is keeping itself in a state of kind of constant readiness and able to perform at its highest level by getting these resources in. You're also going to be using protein to make hormones and enzymes within your body, which again helps with the body's function. It takes a long time to break down. We talked about this before with your fiber. Now, again, it's got a high thermogenic effect on the body, which means you're essentially going to be using more energy to break this stuff down during the digestive process. It can also be used to lower the GI rating of carbohydrates. So if you're eating something which is a moderate GI food and you're eating protein with it, the stomach doesn't discriminate between the two substances. It just goes, okay, it's taking me more time to break all of this stuff down, and therefore it's going to release that carbohydrate into the digestive system a lot slower than it would if it wasn't accompanied by the protein. And lastly, it is a source of amino acids necessary for building muscle and upkeep for the body. So amino acids, some of these are essential amino acids, are required through diet. You can get some supplements which provide them for you, but as with most things with diet, you're trying to get them with good foods as opposed to supplementing this stuff in. So protein must for every single person. You need this stuff to keep your body functioning at a good quality. And if you don't have it, then your body is going to start to suffer and it's going to start to take it from other parts to maintain itself. So essentially, your body will start stripping muscle from your skeletal muscle mass to use the protein in that to then repair your heart, liver, lungs, and all that kind of stuff. So again, with these macronutrients, we just want you to have a look at them as being all necessary and essential parts of your diet, and that none of them can be just kind of put aside and ignored for favor of other ones which may, taste better. So nice and simple. There you go.